My name is Zhang. I'm a professor in the pharmacology department at Ph.D. Southwestern Medical Center. My lab studies protein structures. So we use high-resolution technologies such as X-ray crystallography and cryo-EM, cryo-electron microscopy, to solve structures of proteins or protein complexes at atomic resolution in order to understand how they function, how they work, and when they go wrong, how we can fix them. I'm always curious how things work, and structural biology is really the technique that you can take high-resolution pictures of the object that you're studying to get the answer how they work. So that's why I'm very interested in this kind of research. Probably generally true that you need to be curious and have the mind to keep digging to the bottom of the how things work. So that's, I guess, is a general principle in scientific research. You have to listen to the evidence, not just to your heart.